London, guess what? It's summer.
Eat it.
Woo!
That was horrible.
Let's get this started. What are we gonna be doing?
Hey guys, we're here at the Blue Hole, and we're gonna dive to the bottom of that, and we're gonna see what we can find. I got my GoPro, and we're gonna video it for you guys, and we're gonna come up and show you what we got.
There wasn't much. All we found was a tin can and some crawdads. So
A ton of rocks.
lots of rocks. What we might do is just look for crawdads or go down there in the stream. Looks like a little river that we can walk in.
We're gonna go down there. I'm gonna take the GoPro since going down to the bottom was a fail. And there's Jocelyn. There's actually some cows back over here. But we're gonna start heading that way.
Hey guys, it's London here from Red X Bros, and I hope you enjoyed the video today. Leave a like and comment and subscribe to our channel for more stuff. We're probably going to be going to Six Flags some more, and so see you then.